पंचामृत प्रेजेंस फोर्टिफाइड राइस, संपूर्ण पोषण और स्वस्थ जीवन की पहचान।
Panchamrita Rice presents Food Mania.
Hi, welcome to Prudent. And we are having some surprises in Food Mania today. Keeping it very simple. I'm going to make something, where the origins are from Mexico. But Mexico का खाना जो है ना, वो पहले वो बॉर्डर पड़ता है टेक्सास में, तो टेक्सास में जाके टेक्स-मैक्स हो गया, अब इंडिया में आके इंड-मैक्स हो गया. So, I've done a little concoction. So let me first tell you the ingredients, what I'm having. Now, coming on to the spices, I'm making basically a fajita rice, chicken fajita rice. So I'll tell you first, I'm going to make a fajita mixture. So for fajita mixture, what all do I need? I've got some crushed black pepper. I've got some onion powder, cayenne pepper. I've got some paprika powder, oregano, black pepper, cumin powder, and then I have got some garlic powder, and then of course I've got some lemon juice. This I'll be using for making my fajita mixture. For any fajita, you have to make a mixture, जो मसाले कहते हैं हम लोग. And apart from this, the other ingredients what I'm using is, this is the guacamole I've made and the sour cream. I'll show you the process how you make this. I'm going to make guacamole. So for guacamole, I have avocado. I've got some chopped garlic, lemon juice, chopped tomato, chopped onion, chopped coriander, and I've got little salt. So first what we have to do is we have to scoop out the avocado. So just let me check it up. There is a way to scoop out the avocado. So this is how it looks. So basically you have to take out the seedling, and now what you have to do is, I'll have to scoop it out. Whatever best part I can have, in this season, let me try the best. Putting some garlic, some coriander, some generous amount of chopped onions, generous amount of chopped tomatoes, don't make it too sour, So I'm just going to put the rest of the garlic. Coriander and some salt. I'm going to coarse done in, I'm not going to make it, a very fine paste or something like that. So you see here I have, now you all must be wondering, green color ka guacamole, but this is not that ripe, but I've just tried it. And excellent taste. So here your guacamole is ready. I got some chicken stock, and of course the main thing, that lovely Panchamrita long grain basmati rice. I'm using this long grain. Actually for faitas you're supposed to use long grain rice. I've soaked the rice for about almost more than an hour's time. Now what all I have? I have some seasoning powder. I've got some Parmesan cheese. Well, let me tell you, Parmesan is not actually a recipe of fajitas, but I've given a twist, Then I've got some onion and garlic chopped and sliced. I've got some green and yellow zucchini, whole corn, some colored capsicum. Then I've got some kidney beans and tomato puree. Make sure that you use kidney beans. Don't use any other beans. You have to use kidney beans. And then I'm going to make chicken fajitas. So, what I'm going to do, I'm not making with the, chicken breast or, any chicken boneless or anything. I'm making it with cocktail sausages. Very nice cocktail sausages, So, you must be wondering, कि दो अलग-अलग जगह पे क्यों रखा है? वो जब बनाऊंगा, I'll tell you. One which I'll be marinating in fajita mix. And, I've given a slit. If you see it closely, I've given a slit. So I'm going to marinate this. And just going to pan saute it. And then I have sausages where I've given a different slit. Like this. इसका purpose क्या है? बाद में बताऊंगा. So, I'm using two different type of chicken sausages. These are the cocktail sausages what I'm using. Very nice, very nice. I can recommend you, And these are, I'm going to pan saute it. So, you see, I put cuts here because I'm going to marinate in the fajita powder. And this has got a different function. I'll tell you when I make it, Here, I've given a slit, cross slit on the top. So the purpose of both are different. When I further proceed, you'll come to know. Okay, so now, I'm making the fajita powder. So I'm going to take some oil, some cumin powder. Make sure that cumin powder is not too much, because, it overpowers everything. You can put little generous. Oregano. Then I've got garlic powder. Got some onion powder. Some black pepper. Now, I've got some cayenne pepper, paprika. Somebody wants to have it a little spicy. This will give flavor and color. This, it depends how much spicy you want. So I'm going to make it medium spicy. Here I have my mixture. I have not added any salt. Please don't add any salt. Why? Because if I would have used a normal chicken or some seafood, I would have added, But, I'm using a cocktail sausage. It's already got sauce content in it. So then what I'm going to do, so then I'm going to just mix it up. Just mix it up properly. So I'm just keeping it on side. And now for the rice, I'm going to make another mixture. It's almost a similar one, but you'll have to use the paprika a little more. The reason being, fajita, is more orangish and reddish in color. So one should not forget, first you put this paprika powder, and then we start what we started first. I'm going to add a little oil. Again, the ingredients are the same. I've got cumin powder, oregano, black pepper, got some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some cayenne pepper. Now remember one thing, for this I'm basically going to add some seasoning. Seasoning has got salt, white pepper, I'm going to add some more oil. So if you see it, it's got a more, little more brighter color, you see. So that's how it should look like. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grill the sausages. So I have my sausages here. This mixture I'm going to use it in this. I'm going to add in this. So my sausage is finely done up, it's nicely grilled up. So now I'm moving on to the next process for the fajita rice. So now, I put some oil in the casserole. I'm going to serve it also in this casserole. So the first thing what goes inside is the onion and the garlic. The garlic sliced pods and diced onion. So just give little gentle color for a minute and a half. Then I'm going to add the zucchini. Then I'm going to add the bell pepper, red and yellow capsicum, and the whole corn. So just stir it for about 30 seconds. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the mixture I had made, the fajita mixture. I'm going to add the rice. These are the soaked rice. And I've just kept my chicken stock, I boiled my chicken stock, just keeping it hot. I'm going to use it here. And then I'm going to add the kidney beans. And the tomato puree. So you see the rice now? It's got a nice color, So I have everything inside. And now I'm going to put the chicken which I have sauteed in fajita mix. Give it a gentle mix. And now I'm going to add little seasoning. And then I'm going to add the chicken stock. Initially, don't add too much. Huh? So I'm going to cover it up for about 15 minutes. So it's been there for about 15 minutes. I'm just going to open it. Let me just check it up whether I'll be needing any salt or not. I think that seems absolutely fine. थोड़ा डाल लेते हैं. Okay, so just let me check it up. Oh, that's looking brilliant. So now you must be thinking, what I'm going to do with this. Now what I'm going to do this, I'm going to just place it inside like this. Just to give it a feel that we are having the sautéed fajita rice. Another 5 minutes. So I'm just going to finish it off by adding some parmesan, I told you. So another few minutes more. So we are ready to open the Pandora's box. तो देखते हैं कि कैसा लग रहा है. Oh, wow, that's looking very nice, huh? I said, I'm going to give a cut and let's keep it as a surprise. So I've got the pan-seared, pan-grilled sausages also, and just put it. It looks so fantastic. You see. So it's done up. So with that, we are going to have some guacamole and then some sour cream. Okay. So the thing is ready. I'm just going to try it out. I have a lady coming, Let's keep it a surprise. And well, so like, each episode, and I'll ask you a question, something related to the thing I have prepared, Mexican. So the question I'm going to ask you today, give me famous 5 different Mexican preparations. बहुत आसान है, and be honest, Google मत देखना. So keep watching Prudent Media, and the voucher what I have, if you answer correctly, my mail ID is given below. Complimentary food voucher. This is a new restaurant, You see, it's called Royal Taste. Very nicely done up. The interiors are so fantastic. I've tried, some starters and soup. Excellent food. I could recommend you. And you could be one of those, who wins this voucher, rupees 1200.
Everyone, we have come up with multi-cuisine restaurant in Goa, Royal Taste. We welcome you all to have Royal Goan Taste. Please do visit. Thank you.
मॅडम सुगंध तर इतलो बरो येता जाणा.
थँक्यू.
टिफिना वांगडा त्यो न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुडयो दिवपाक विसरू नाका हा.
आता तू न्यूट्रिशनाच्यो गुळयो विसर.
कित्याक?
का या तांदळातूच सगळे न्यूट्रिशन मेळटले. पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस हातूंत आयर्न, झिंक, फॉलिक ऍसिड, व्हिटॅमिन ए, बी सारकेले 9 मिनरल्स आसात. तर हे झाले नाही निरोगी आणि सुवादिक. तर पुराय पौष्टिक आहारा खातीर
पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस
असल्यास पुरो.
पुराय पोषणा खातीर पंचामृता फोर्टिफाईड राईस. घराघरांनी पंचामृता.
So the fajita rice is ready. I'll just show it to you. So this is how it looks like. And to taste it, I have a lady. She's basically an educationist, Lalita. She's a master of regional food, थोड़ा कोंकणी खाना वगैरह. तो मैंने कहा इनसे भी मैं काफ़ी चीज़ें सीखता रहता हूँ. तो मैंने कहा मैम आप आओ टेस्ट करो. So Lalita, you can have this dish. It's a meal in itself, fajita. And थोड़ा twist दिया है मैंने इसमें. And this is basically guacamole made with avocado and sour cream है, little lemon juice. There's a lot of good flavors of jeera use करते हैं. Roasted jeera powder is there, then oregano is there. We have cane pepper, लाल मिर्च है, and देगी मिर्च भी है, गार्लिक है, अनियन है, एंड वेजीज में जुकीनी हमने यूज़ किया है, एंड बेल पेपर्स यूज़ किए हुए. एंड ये जो किडनी बीन्स है, इट प्लेज अ वेरी वाइटल रोल इन मैक्सिकन फूड. सो ललिता प्लीज हेल्प योरसेल्फ एंड बताइए कैसा है.
Sure, it's really looking so good.
थैंक यू.
I can't control myself. Taste.
ये मील इन इटसेल्फ है. जैसे हमारे यहाँ बिरयानी होता है ना, बिरयानी के साथ रायता और थोड़ा ग्रेवी दे देते हैं, तो ये साथ में वही.
Okay.
So you can try some of this avocado. This thing you like it?
Yes. So rich in flavors, sir. This is so good. I really liked it.
And
This is
one more thing, Lalita.
This is sir.
One more. I'm asking you. This rice is a long grain basmati rice.
Okay.
Panchamrita. Rice कैसा लगा?
खा के देखती हूँ
राइस खा के बताओ. लवली क्वालिटी. मैं तो इस राइस से फिदा हो गया.
Well cooked and long grain rice, I think. Very.
बट ये जब बनता है ना मील इन इटसेल्फ, जैसे हमारा खिचड़ी टाइप का है ना, तो मैक्सिकन वैसे ही होता है. रेस्टोरेंट्स में वो अलग अलग करके देते हैं, बट दैट इज नॉट द करेक्ट वे. इट इज सॉर्ट ऑफ ए कैसरोल, एक पॉट बनता है, एंड फैमिली में बीच में रख के इस तरह से खाते हैं इन मैक्सिको. तो यूएस में आते बॉर्डर लगता है टेक्सास, तो टेक्सास में अमेरिकन ने अपने तरीके से बनाया है. सो यू कैन मेक इट सो द वे यू लाइक इट.
अपने डिश तरीके से बनाया. बहुत ही अच्छा बनाया सर. I would like to taste this also.
The sour cream.
Yeah.
I have to see my waistline, तो मैं cream नहीं लूँगा. Guacamole, I love it.
Very flavorful. बहुत ही टेस्टी लगा सर. Excellent sir. I must say, texture is so good.
Thank you, madam.
So flavorful.
अपने खाने के बारे में खुद नहीं कह सकता हूँ. I think I have to ask somebody, if you're telling अच्छा ही होगा.
I'm definitely going to try this at home. But I think I'll need your guidance.
Yeah, surely. And आपकी guidance चाहिए मैम रीजनल फूड बनाने के लिए.
Yeah, definitely for that.
कोंकण में यहाँ से लेके 2000 किलोमीटर कोस्टल लाइन, बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है ना. मलवानी कुजीन. Every 200 kilometers, मलवानी is a lost cuisine, but this is a lovely cuisine. अभी कुछ दिन पहले मैं रिसर्च कर रहा था उस पर. कोचीन पहुंचते सारा खाना, एंड केरला में एंटर करते ही एवरी 100 किलोमीटर्स खाना चेंज हो जाता है.
हाँ, गोवन फूड तो बहुत ही टेस्टी है. आपको ट्राई करना चाहिए.
थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर कमिंग.
थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन योर शो सर. थैंक यू.
You have to thank Prudent Media.
Yeah, thank you.
वो मेरे को बोलते किसी को बुलाओ जिनको आप जानते हैं, who is a foodie. I said so. Definitely.
It's my pleasure to be on your show.
So, madam, once again, thank you so much. And thanks to also Prudent Media, for asking me to host this show. It's really an honor. Very nice people. Till next time, do keep watching Prudent Media.